How to update network drivers in Windows 10 or 11. In this video, we are going to see how we can update the network drivers in Windows 10 or 11. Keeping your network drivers updated is important to maintain a proper internet connection. So here's what you can do. First, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open it, and once you have it open, find the relevant network driver that you want to update. Right-click on the driver and click Update Driver. Then select Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will search for the best available driver and install it for you. If you're still facing problems, you can also check for driver updates through Windows Update. Running Windows Update can also install available driver and system updates. Another option is to right-click the network device again, select Update Driver, and choose Browse My Computer for drivers. If you've already downloaded the official driver from the manufacturer's website, select the folder where the driver is saved and install it from there. You can also select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Windows will show you the compatible drivers available on your system. Select the recommended driver and click Next to install it. If you're not sure which driver you need, right-click the network device, select Properties, and go to the Driver tab. Here, you can see the driver version and other device information. You can search for this information online and download the latest driver directly from the manufacturer's website. This is usually the best option because you'll get the driver directly from the source. And that's how you can update your network drivers in Windows 10 or 11. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.